The constant changes of the times have led us into an era where full-screen smartphones are widely used. However, there is still a small group of people who always miss the experience of using a physical keyboard smartphone. Unihertz, a brand dedicated to serving niche groups, has continuously innovated and launched keyboard smartphones that combine the touchscreen and physical keyboard. Introducing Unihertz Titan series, the modern Android smartphones with a physical QWERTY keyboard. Titan, Unihertz's first fully functional rugged PKB smartphone. Thanks to its huge battery, waterproof feature, and durable construction, it is perfect for life and works well. Titan Pocket, the reinterpretation of a classic physical keyboard. 30% smaller and lighter than Titan, Titan Pocket is ergonomic for one-handed holding. Feel at ease to hold and type with one hand. Titan Slim, the smallest and lightest smartphone in the Unihertz Titan series, provides a smooth, even, and light grip. Enjoyable to hold, it makes every interaction a delight. No matter if you're replying to a long email, instant message, or posting comments on social media, physical keyboard offers superb, accurate, speedy typing experience. With Titan series, your life will be filled with endless possibilities. Whether you're an adventurer, entrepreneur, business elite, or any other identity, Unihertz Titan series lineup has got you covered. Unleash the freedom of mobile keyboard typing with Unihertz Titan series.
Hi, I'm Mike, and I like to get things done, which is why I think today's smartphones suck. They're designed to distract you for hours, they always die right when you need them, and when dropped from your kneecaps, they crack open like an egg. Society's gone soft, but your phone doesn't have to. Say hello to the Titan, the rugged smartphone for people who get shit done. I was brought in by these fine folks so I could drop their phone off of this 6-foot-tall ladder. Why? Because they paid me to. Want to crack this screen? You're gonna need a bigger ladder. And it's not just drop-proof. It's waterproof, dust-proof, and while other phones fizzle out in only a day, Titan's battery lasts for up to a week. But there's more to Titan than just its body. Just ask my friend Michelle.
I have 10 reports to write, 30 unread emails, and I'm on my 3rd cup of espresso. Thankfully, Titan has all the flagship features I'd expect. It runs on the latest Android OS, has wireless charging, 16-megapixel back camera, 8-megapixel front camera, expandable SD card slot, you know the drill. But do you want to know what makes it really different? That's right, Titan comes with a QWERTY keyboard, so you're able to get that tactile feeling you love with every push of a button. Plus, the keyboard integrates perfectly with the square Ultra HD screen. Titan also features 2 SIM cards, so you can have 2 separate numbers. One for business, please have Monday's report on my desk no later than 3, and one for pleasure. So, how soon can you get here? And what about security? Titan lets you choose. You can unlock it with your fingerprint, or Face ID. It's the best of both worlds.
Titan, for people who get shit done.